Heather said we in Miami, girl, right here in Lafayette.
Right here in Lafayette, baby.
Serious, stop playing with us. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Bob, also known as Real Southern Belle for all my returning subscribers. Hey girl. And for all my new subscribers, definitely be sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you are enjoying my channel. So today, I got dressed up, y'all. Got a little bodysuit on. I got some camouflage pants. I got my little hat on. I go to brunch with one of my friends from high school. Her name is Heather. I don't think you guys have ever seen Heather on my channel, but I'll definitely try to get some footage once we get out to brunch. So before I go, I just quickly wanted to show you guys what my matron of honor got me on yesterday. It was a little surprise gift, and I was definitely emotional about it. But it's really cool to start receiving stuff that says like bride, bride to be. Like, I'm so excited to start having like the little cups and the mugs and all of that stuff that goes along with getting married. So I'm going to show you guys quickly what she got me. So this is how the box looks on the outside. So it says congrats on it, a cute little pink box, and y'all know I love me some pink, girl, okay? So this was right up my alley. So whenever you open it, you kind of see everything in its different containers. So we do have a little note that says bride to be, and she just gave me and Chris a little note about planning our wedding, and I'm just so excited for that. And then we also have this little cute rose petal. I'm not really sure what it is. It probably was just in the box for like decoration. And then I have a cute little candle that says beautiful bride. Then I got this little cute little ring holder. I can put my ring and my jewelry in here when I'm not wearing it and just in the house. So I thought this was really, really cute. And it has like a little rose gold trimming on the outside of it. So it's just so cute, y'all. And then I got a mug that says future Mrs. on it. And I love how it has a little ring. I love how it has the rose gold writing on it. So this is just so cute, y'all. And I love coffee. I drink coffee almost every morning, so this was perfect. And then another little cup. It's kind of like a little Yeti cup. And I love these also. And it says bride. So it's a cute little pink cup. And it also comes with like the straw and the cleaner and everything. So I think this is really cute. And you can put anything in here, y'all. You can put your coffee to go in here. You can put alcohol. You can put juice. You can put water. Whatever you want to put, you can put that in here. So I love everything that I got. I feel like everything in this box is going to be very useful. And yeah, and I just thought it was so cute, and I had to share it with y'all. So thank you to my matron of honor. I'm so excited, girl, to put you to work, okay? But yeah, I think it's going to be so much fun, like just wedding planning and kind of getting different ideas. But like I said, my wedding won't be until like late next year. So we're really just focusing on getting the engagement party done. So yes, I just quickly wanted to show y'all that. But I got to go, y'all, because I'm about to be late for brunch. All right, you guys. So I'm with my friend Heather.
Hey.
We're about to cross the street.
Yes.
And I haven't seen my girl in forever.
Forever, y'all. We've been like cool since
She abandoned me. After we became grown adults, she abandoned me. That's what happened. She did.
Y'all lied. She became like this big person, and she just forgot about everybody in Lafayette.
She lied. Y'all, so Heather wants to take a picture in front of the water, baby. Heather said we in Miami, girl, right here in Lafayette.
Right here in Lafayette, baby.
Serious, stop playing with us. So we just finished eating over there at another broken egg, and it was delicious as always. And I'm about to go hang out with Heather for a little bit and go visit my family. Hey Bells, what's up? So I'm currently in the car, and y'all, all of this construction is driving me on the way to see fiance. Headed to Houston right now. I left a little later than usual, which I never leave like past like noon time or whatever, but today I left at like 3, so I won't get to him until almost like 7 o'clock, but that's okay. Still daylight. I hate driving in the dark. I'm always excited to go to Houston. It's so fun there. But yeah, y'all, I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that I do have a new podcast episode out. So if you don't follow me on my podcast, please be sure to follow me at Embody the Boss. And my podcast is on Apple Podcasts, it's on Spotify, and it used to be Anchor, but Anchor changed their name to, I think it's now Spotify or Podcasters or something like that. I don't know, but it's like a Podcasters app now instead of Anchor. So yeah, so if you don't follow me on my podcast, please subscribe, y'all. Subscribe and leave me a review if you've ever listened to any episode, because I want to get more ratings. I want to get more comments just on my podcast. like when I go and listen to other people's podcasts, I love seeing testimonials from other people because that normally tells me, you know, whether if it's a good podcast or not. But yeah, so I definitely want y'all to go ahead and check that out. The episode that I just uploaded is called The Season of Waiting, y'all. And I talk about just waiting for different things, you know, whether you're waiting for results from your doctor, you're waiting on your job, you're waiting on your man to propose, like different things like that. Like, just know everything is on God's timing. And yeah, I really just thought it was a great time for me to go ahead and put that episode out there. You guys know that I got laid off back in May, right? And I've definitely been interviewing with a lot of companies, and I've been making it like all the way to the end, y'all, like all the way to the third interview, feeling like I got the job. And then these companies are like, you're great, but we've chosen to go with another candidate. So that's pretty much like what's been happening as far as like my job search and stuff like that. And I also talk about that in my podcast episode, just about different things that we may be waiting on, and just, you know, like journal and different things like that, and kind of write down those things that you desire, but it will all like come to pass. So I love when I record these episodes because my own episodes, y'all, be helping me out. So yeah, so whatever season you're in right now, y'all, if you're in a season of waiting like me, you're waiting for something, it's going to be okay. And that's what I wanted people to get from my podcast episode that I uploaded. It's going to be okay. And also too, I just want you guys to remember that I do have my Amazon link down below where you guys can go ahead and shop on my Amazon storefront. I added a lot of new items on Amazon storefront. Like, it's pretty much all the items that I order off of Amazon. If I like it, I go ahead and I link it. Or it could be like items around my house that I use. I'll just go ahead and link it in my Amazon storefront. But I definitely recommend you guys like check out my storefront. It has different things from like fitness and beauty, health stuff, you know, like vitamins, different things for your hair, different hair products that I recommend. Perfume, scents, different things like that, teeth whitening strips, just a whole bunch of stuff, y'all, that I really love and I really use on a daily basis. Is all in my Amazon storefront. So definitely do make sure you go ahead and check out my Amazon storefront, y'all. And then if you have never shopped on Temu, you need to get with the program, y'all. So Temu got clothes, they got house items, they have hair extensions. Look, I already bought a wig. I already bought like some clip-ins, like all kind of stuff, y'all, for like really cheap. So I did go ahead and snatch me up a Temu affiliate code. So if you're a new user, all you have to do is, I think, download the app and you'll be able to use my coupon code. But I go ahead and leave that coupon code down for y'all below. Y'all, there is something for everybody on Temu. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, literally something for everybody on there. Even if you're a person that like doesn't like to online shop and stuff like that, you know, you can buy other stuff that's not just clothes. Like I said, there's household items and many other things that are on Temu. So I made it to my destination. So I'm here in H-Town. So today I went and got me and Bae some smoothies, and then we also picked up our Walmart pickup because your girl is cooking tonight, okay? So I'm pretty much gonna be making crawfish étouffée, and all you pretty much need is frozen crawfish. You need bell peppers and onions to go ahead and saute that crawfish. You just add your butter, and then you add cream of mushroom, and then cream of golden mushroom, and then you also add cream of celery, and that's pretty much how you make the actual étouffée. And then you just cook your rice on the side and whatever else you want. We're going to be having corn, so I might record myself, you know, doing a little cooking, you know, so y'all can see I do a little one too. But yeah, so that's pretty much what we are doing. We woke up early this morning, got our little workout in. So my arms are burning right now, I'm not gonna lie. I have a weighted jump rope. I'll actually go ahead and link that down below, that I started using from Amazon. And then we did a few exercises with some weights, and yeah, my arms on fire and my legs, y'all, okay? And we're probably gonna go out walking again tonight and just kind of get some more exercise in, because we both trying to lose some weight, okay? We got the engagement party, we got the wedding coming up, we got a lot going on. So we're definitely trying to get it together. But that is pretty much it. I just wanted to come and catch up with you guys and say, hey, what's up? So it looks like I have some cleaning up to do. That's better. Now I can get to work with cooking. I forgot to record when I was doing everything, but I did season my tilapia. Just got the regular great value tilapia from Walmart, and I used the Zatarain's blackened seasoning right here. It's really good. And I just added just a few pieces of butter on the top of it. So that's pretty much how that looks. About to put that in the oven shortly. Got my oven preheating at 380. And then as far as the étouffée, I already have my crawfish in here and also my onions and bell peppers. And I haven't started my corn yet, but I just have a whole bunch of little onions and bell peppers and butter. And I'm gonna start that in a few. And the rice cooker is currently on cook, girl, okay? So that is pretty much it. So all I have to do for my étouffée is pretty much just add my soups to it. And I'm using the Campbell's Golden Mushroom. And I am using the Campbell's Cream of Celery. And whenever you get it, make sure you get golden mushroom that's this color, because the other color mushroom is like white, but it tastes totally different. So yeah, if you try it, definitely make sure to use that one. But so far, I mean, the food is looking pretty good, okay? We're about to put the tilapia in there, and that's pretty much it. And actually, it's time to add my soups right now. This is my fiance's plate. Got the étouffée, got the corn, got the blackened fish, and ready to eat. Hey guys, so I'm about to head out, and I'm probably gonna also end the vlog tonight, but I have on this cute little top, have on my little purse here, my little jeans, and we're about to go get some dinner and celebrate my bae. My bae got a promotion, so we're gonna go ahead and celebrate him. But yeah, so that's pretty much what we're doing this vlog. Probably show y'all where we're gonna go eat. It probably won't be nothing too extravagant because I didn't really bring like super dressy clothes, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna end up at like, you know, like a regular little restaurant, nothing where we we have to like reserve reservations and see what we get into for the rest of the night. But I'm so excited and happy for my boo. So yeah, y'all, so I'm all dressed up and we're about to head out.